Hey guys, welcome back. In this lecture, we are going to talk a bit about the reasons of using recursion or avoiding recursion. If you're writing a code for any algorithm, then given the same algorithm, the iterative version will generally be faster than the recursive version. The big reason is function calls used in recursion are expensive operations. A function call requires recording the current state of variables and making a copy of them in stack memory so that they can be restored when the function returns. Some languages, however, use tail call optimization to avoid this. We will talk about tail call optimization in next lecture, but for many problems, recursion is much more intuitive approach because it can do the job in few lines of code. Developers often start with a recursive version and then convert it to an iterative version only if they need to get every last bit of performance out of the program. So these were the very few obvious reasons of using recursion or not using recursion.